And now for a sailing drill. Yay! I was really slow at knowing the lines, all the lines on the mast. And that's not really good if you need to reef quickly or whatever. This is gonna be my drill. I'm gonna go over the lines, but do them kind of quickly, and Ryan's gonna task load me somehow. I don't know. We were going over the lines the other day, and Ryan was doing them with his eyes closed. He's so special.
So first we'll just try, this is round one. We'll just try regular. Okay.
Okay.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, when I say the line, touch the line.
Got it.
Okay? You have 1 second to touch the line.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Ready? Main halyard. Topping lift. Spinnaker halyard.
Spinnaker halyard.
You failed.
No, what?
You have 1 second.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, staysail halyard. Reef 1 clue. Reef 1 tack. Wrong.
Oh shit.
Main halyard.
Main halyard.
Main sheet.
Main sheet.
Staysail halyard.
Staysail halyard.
Spinnaker halyard.
Spinnaker halyard.
Screecher halyard.
Screecher halyard.
Reef 1 clue.
Halyard.
Jib sheet.
Jib sheet.
Lazy jack.
Lazy jack.
Okay. You ready for a little bit more pressure?
That was pressure.
You ready for a little more pressure?
Yes.
Okay, with your eyes closed.
Oh.
Take off your glasses so I know you're not cheating. Promise you won't open your
My
eyes.
eyes are closed.
Yeah, but you're gonna keep them closed.
Yes.
Okay, main halyard.
Main halyard.
Yeah, spinnaker halyard.
Spin halyard.
Okay, reef 1 clue.
Reef 1 clue.
Good. Okay, you ready for the next level of pressure?
There's another?
Yeah, there's another level of pressure. Here, hold this and I'm gonna get it.
Oh, heck no.
With your eyes closed.
Shut up.
And if you get it wrong,
You're an asshole.
or it takes you more than 1 second, you're gonna get zapped.
It's for killing mosquitoes and it works awesome. That's mean.
Can you do it or not?
Yes.
This thing hurts like shit when you get zapped.
Oh, with my eyes closed, you said?
Yeah. Main halyard.
Main halyard.
Jib halyard.
Jib halyards.
Reef 1 clue.
Reef 1.
Furling line.
Furling line. Oh, jeez.
This isn't much fun. You gotta get one wrong. Screecher halyard.
Screecher halyard.
Okay, jib halyard.
Jib halyard.
Oh, you almost got the wrong one. Damn it, you did good. Do you want to zap like a love zap?
No.
Do you want to zap me because you got it? Did you do good?
Oh yeah.
Fuck off! No way. Good job, Nicole. Sometimes there's a carrot in addition to a stick.
You're sweaty, so I don't.
Or would the stick would a stick be a reward?
Come here. Sweaty. Sweaty kiss.
Good job, babe.
You want to see Ryan do it? He's really fast. I think that I can't even say it fast enough. Oh, do I get this too?
Fuck no, I know.
That's not fair. Screecher halyard. Spinnaker halyard. Reef 1 tack. Main halyard. Good job.
How about husband halyard? It's good. You got the husband halyard.
I know that one well. Oh, honey, you're wearing black. You've got to be so hot. Let's go. Okay. Good to see you again. A few of us boats got together for a waterfall hike, but on our way, we poked our heads into someone's yard to see what was going on in there. The pareos.
Não tem bota.
So this is how they make the pareos, or those sarongs, that all the women use. Que legal. Very pretty, huh? Wow, Sarah, let me see that tattoo. Oh, wow, beautiful. Wow.
Thank you. I did it in the Marquesas.
You did it in the Marquesas?
Yes, yes.
Introduce
right
yourself.
when we arrived.
Introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Sarah.
From where?
I'm from Brazil.
And what boat?
I live in Ipanema boat.
Check out their website. Beautiful boat.
Oh,
I mean, amazing. And you talk about equipment on the boat, like sports equipment.
Lots of toys.
Oh my
love
gosh,
our
toy haven. It was amazing. I hear the waterfall. Wow. Ah, the waterfall was cold, refreshing, and electrified us. This is Marie. She is crew for now on Naoma. Oh, sorry! I'll blur that out. No. Let's go. Bye, Nicole. So nice to see you always. Thanks, you guys. Bye.
It's off our starboard side too.
Yeah, it's also behind us on PT side.
We're fucking surrounded.
Woke up to a lot of wind and rain, and then the cabin just got so bright, and then boom with the thunder. It was less than 1 mile away, so computers, EPIRB, phone, satellite phone, VHF, all in the oven and closed and secure, and that's the best that we can do. And that's the closest I've seen lightning to us so far. Welcome to cyclone season.
Same thing.
We are back on Naoma. Andre called or messaged Ryan that a lot of the Signet stuff all of a sudden wasn't working, and so they figured out that there was a lightning strike, most likely, close by, and that affected. At least that's the theory. And so they're working on whatever they're doing. I don't really know.
We're taking one of the instruments out and splicing the backbone. All right.
And then
Okay, so it's picking up the GPS now.
This
Oh
one.
no, it's picking up this device.
this one is one that I can find
yeah,
and I
you're
am
right.
using.
Okay.
You got the lightning today, tomorrow working, and the day after no.
Yeah.
That's why today in the alternator I was like,
Oh,
no
shit.
man, 1 week after.
What I don't understand is why are you missing autopilot and
Wind instruments.
wind? Yeah. I thought we'd plug that in and be done. We've narrowed it down to there's 3 devices that are not giving any information and 1 device that does not work at all.
The autopilot not working.
And here, Andre kept the electrical diagrams Ryan made, which was super helpful in figuring out what was going on. So they got the trip log to work, and for like a split second, the speed over ground showing 0, that came on, but now it's gone again. So they thought maybe something wasn't plugged in, but now we were hoping that would be the easy thing.
Wind instrument the same.
You have power to the wind instrument?
Yeah.
There was power there before, it's just showing
You know why?
the slashes.
The wind instrument is a drop cable, but the sensor is the thing with the terminator, so the sensor is disconnected. Your autopilot.
Wow.
That little Terminator fixed the autopilot?
Yeah.
Really?
So you have autopilot, and I bet if we do a source selection, I bet you get back the GPS controls too.
No.
So let's find out.
It's so good.
We'll check it anyways. Compass, now, yeah, you got the compass.
Woo!
So you got your fluctuate
little
rudder
tiny
feedback is
Terminator.
back,
Oh, thank you.
trim angle's back,
Did it.
autopilot's back.
So small.
Yay!
So I'm looking to see if you have the GPS. Yes, you got the antenna back. You've got your GPS back.
Wow. So it's just the
Your masthead instrument is damaged.
wind instrument.
Yeah.
Maybe a bird, something or
Most likely lightning, but it could be a bird.
could.
Why it was not working?
The network that you have is called NEMA 2K or NEMA 2000, and the way a NEMA 2000 network works is there's like a connection that runs all the way, imagine from one end to another end, and that's called the backbone. and then all of the devices come off of the backbone. They drop off of the backbone. There's some things that you have to have in order for the backbone to work, and one of them is it has to have power, and the other thing is each end of the backbone has to have a terminator. It's a terminating resistor. I think it's a resistor. Has to have a terminator. What happened was, for some reason, your wind instrument, which has a built-in terminator, it's on one end of the backbone. That wind instrument is broken. The terminator's broken, something's broken. So you had a network that only had one terminator, and things it wasn't communicating correctly. So what we did was we pulled that wind instrument out and we put just a terminator in its place, and immediately everything worked.
But we didn't put it up in the mast.
But we put
Right.
another place.
We put it down here. The wind instrument up there has a terminator built into it,
Okay.
and the power cord has a terminator built into it.
Okay.
So the power cord is one end of the backbone. The wind instrument was the other, but because we think that one's broken, we unplugged it and then plugged in a terminator to where it was. So we eliminated all the wind instrument stuff and just put a terminator only.
So what we need to find is a terminator and just put it up in the mast and
Maybe, we don't know.
Maybe.
replace the.
I
Depends.
think it's internal. I think you have to replace the instrument, but it's just the arrow and then the
Not the
thing
computer.
that spins. It's not a computer. Or,
Lucky.
it's still expensive,
Yeah.
but it's not nearly as expensive. And far as we can tell, everything else in your entire network works fine.
Okay.
So
That's
we have
really good news.
everything back except for wind. Yeah, that's fantastic.
No,
news.
that's
It's almost the best news
Yeah,
we could hope.
Ryan did try this on me once before.
No.
Yes, you did.
Not
You
on
hit me
purpose.
with, not on purpose. He pushed the button that got it charged, and then took his finger off the button and didn't think it was charged anymore, and he whacked me with it when I was working on something. And it zapped me.
I'm glad you weren't farting. Girls don't fart though.